Hello, Philippines!
Yes! Sama natin to.
Hello.
Kiora,
Your name?
Yora, Philippines!
I'm J. Lord.
I'm Leia!
Birthday is today.
Birthday. Birthday girl.
Birthday girl!
And
I'm Liam! Hello!
ito po yung...
Biktima na ng mga tatay ko.
Vlogger si ano? And
Julian.
Jillian.
What grade are you?
Oh, that's her real name!
Jillian, what grade are you?
Year 5.
4. Grade 4. How about you?
5.
5.
My real name is Jillian Miriam.
Where did you study? Here?
Reviews, Takapaw School.
Previous school, technical school.
Now you are now studying here?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
We are studying for 2 years.
For 2 years.
Yes.
Mm.
And maybe this year they are transferring to Plankton School.
Ah, plankton.
Careful na ka, spill.
Ano na kayo dyan?
Hindi pa.
kami,
Kayo,
kami ngayon schedule namin.
ngayong araw?
Ngayong araw, i-schedule namin.
Ah, sige, sige.
60, pag ano, family of 4, 60, ano lang yata, 79 family course. Yung isa, 66.
Okay.
May schedule ako, nandun lang sa car.
Kapag ano kayo,
Oh.
ang ganda ng view doon pag andun na.
Hmm. Kinuha ko ng kaninang umaga ng video bago ako 5 o'clock in the
Sa
morning.
Remarkables, nagpunta na kayo doon.
Hindi pa, saan yan?
Yung, ang ganda ng view doon, oh. Doon kami nung nakaraang araw.
Wow, saan yan?
Oh, sige.
Ipas-
Remarkables.
Ipasa mo sa akin ang video.
Ah, ang ganda ng
Oo, oo. Pasa mo sa akin ang video. Yung